Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and it is Halloween week here. And yeah, fairy day. So we have a little bit of an Ipsy haul today. Now, if you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription. It is $12 a month. You get 5 beauty products. They also have different tiers. If you want to go for the Glam Bag Plus, you'll receive 5 full-size products for $25. And Glam Bag X has 7 to 8 products curated by beauty's biggest celebrities, and they send that to you every 3 months. It's normally worth up to about $350 and you pay $55. I'm pretty excited about that. But right now we're going to do this little haul. And just ignore all this stuff because I've been filming for a while. I'm going to pull everything out so we can kind of get an idea of what is in here, because there's some heavy stuff. So I pulled everything out and there are a few bundles here. You know, they were doing their shop and they have, you know, just little bundles. And I thought, well, I'll grab this. And this is one of the bundles. It came with scrunchies, clips, and this Hold Me 3 Ways hairspray. Now, I didn't have any hairspray at the time, so I thought, yeah, that's great. And I've been looking at getting some of these clips. You see everybody clipping their hair out of the way when they do the videos, so I thought, oh, I want to try them. And these are from the Vintage Cosmetics. Vintage Cosmetics is good. I like Vintage Cosmetics. This is a set of 5 scrunchies. Y'all, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful scrunchies. They're these soft, satiny ones that are supposed to prevent snagging. I do put my hair up at night when I'm chilling, and actually when I go to bed, I sleep with it up. So all this stuff I got for $18. It was called Designme Hair and Vintage Cosmetics Company Style Essential Set. So you got hairspray, the scrunchies, and the clips. There's 6 of these rainbow clips. Get a grip. Very cool. It is valued at $45, even though I only paid $18. So pretty cool. Very curious about the hairspray. I haven't worn hairspray in so very long. But this is from, like I said, Designme. So that was one set. The next set were these masks. And y'all, yes, Halloween. So when I saw this magical mask duo from the CRÈMeshop, I thought, I gotta get them. I do like the CRÈMeshop too. I've been enjoying them. Witch Hazel Infused Essence Mask. This is for soothing acne-prone skin, regulating oil and combating sun damage. Power Up Skin. Animated alien face mask infused with power of greens, avocado, matcha, kale, and spirulina. Adds character to your beauty regimen. This is going to be so funny. It puts an alien face on you. That is hilarious. So I got one of each. 4 masks, $5. It doesn't say how much they're actually worth, but super cool. That is adorable. All in fun. All in fun. You know we love our fun here. And the last set I got was Huda Beauty and F.A.R.A.H. And it doesn't explain this, y'all, because I don't know where this came from. It doesn't say, unless this is the free gift with purchase. That must be it. It must be the free gift with purchase. But it is just, it's just an Ipsy bag. Very shiny, glitzy, glammy Ipsy bag. But there's no stamp on the inside like they normally have, but it is that good clean. You can clean it easily. So there's that. And oh wait, this is maybe, I don't know what is going on. Where did this come from? This is a PYT Beauty Quad It is Upcycle Eyeshadow Warm Lit Nude Mini Eyeshadow Palette. Very cool, pretty colors. I'm just not sure. I guess maybe I don't know. I'll look again in a second after we go through this bag, because I'm excited about this bag, y'all. I love F.A.R.A.H brushes. Got them laying all over my vanity. And I love Huda Beauty. And it's got Laura Geller. No, I'm sorry. This is Real Her Girl Power in there as well. The funny thing is, it doesn't mention that on here. I don't know why it doesn't mention anything. Anyway, the F.A.R.A.H brushes that are in here, they are the double-sided. This is the Contour and Blend brush. And this is the Powder and Go brush. Now, I'm going to look and see which one of these I have, because I think I may have this one. If I have one, I set the other one aside for giveaways. Gorgeous. This one is so heavy. I don't think I have this one, actually. But I may have this one. Very cool. So we'll look at, wait, I'm going to look and see if I have this as well before I go into that. But so we'll look at the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. Look how beautiful. So cool. Am I going to get it like that? Ooh. Luxe. Oh my goodness. And there she is, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Are they cream? So it says, all right, it says prep. Apply Fiji as a base to smoothen skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. So let's apply this as a base. And then it says set, dab, the next color from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Sculpt, add Tahiti under cheekbones and add dimension and shape. And flush, swipe Zanzibar on apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. So what do y'all think? That's pretty cool. Very interested. I'm excited to play with this. Like that. So cool. And to me, worth every penny. What did I pay for this? $16. It's valued at $91. Now, let me just look and see if I have that lip color before I swatch it. Alright, I don't see it anywhere, so we're gonna swatch it. This is Real Her Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick. Okay, yes, I do have it. I thought I had it and I just wasn't looking in the right spot because it's one of these little ones. I have the little ones in a different spot. So, and swatch it for you and keep one and get one. You know, I love doing that. So, there it is. Girl Power, beautiful color. Nice fall nude. Very cute. I just don't know where those extra pieces came from. Okay, yes. So with this, the bag came with that. And with the Huda, the palette was the free gift with that. So that's where that came from. What do y'all think? How did I do with this Ipsy haul? I mean, I think I did fairly good. That palette, oh, so cool. Y'all, comment below. Let me know what you think. While you're down there, I'd love it if you give the video a thumbs up. Y'all, if you haven't subscribed yet, I would love it if you do. I'm trying to grow the channel, and every subscription matters. Every like matters. Every comment. It all pushes me up in that algorithm that shows me to more people and helps me to grow this family. I've met so many amazing people. I love you, y'all, so very much. Share with your friends. Let's get some more friends in here. comment over at the community section. We have a community section where we can post like we would at Facebook or Instagram over there now, which is super fun. And press that notification bell. It's a great way to know when I put out new videos. You know, sometimes if I pop a reel in just out of nowhere, it's not at the scheduled time, or sometimes my collaboration giveaways and things like that aren't at the same time. That notification bell will tell you when all that stuff comes up. So I really appreciate all of that stuff. Y'all have a very safe and happy Halloween. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.